Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to create a festive New Year's drawing filled with joy and celebration. We'll be drawing a young boy blowing out a horn to welcome the new year, surrounded by all the fun elements that make the day special. This can be a perfect New Year poster or a delightful greeting card for your loved ones. So, let's dive right into it. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step, and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSS experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your doodle study of graphics. For today's artistry trivia, which artist's famous work includes a painting titled New Year's Morning, portraying a winter scene with people skating on a frozen river? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's sketch a young boy in the bottom right side of our canvas. He's going to be our focal point for this New Year's celebration drawing. Start by drawing a circle to outline the face, a curved rectangle for the torso. Use curved cylinders for the legs and add little boots. Next, we are drawing the horn, which the kid is blowing out in celebration. We will draw one hand holding the horn. Let's give him curly hair and a cute celebration hat. How can we forget to add a smiley face? Since it's also winters for New Year's, so let's add a little detail and give the little boy a muffler. To make it even more festive, let's create a title of Happy New Year. Now, as we're celebrating the arrival of the new year, let's fill up the rest of the canvas with various elements that signify the joyous occasion. Now, let's add in some balloons to make our celebration even more colorful and lively. Adding celebration tags and decorations will really bring out the festive vibe. Let's include some party poppers, confetti, and a rocket ready to soar into the new year. Let's add a calendar in one corner, marking January 1st. It's the start of a brand new year filled with possibilities. No New Year's party is complete without some delicious treats. How about some tasty pastries, a cake, a cup with a straw, a chocolate bar, toffees, and even popcorn for that extra fun touch? Sketch each item one by one, placing them around the canvas. And of course, to top it all off, let's draw a pair of celebratory goggles. And there we have it. Our New Year's celebration drawing is complete, filled with joy, treats, and all the elements that make this day special. Have a great year end and wish you all the best for the upcoming year. May it be filled with lots of art, creativity, and fun. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer is Winslow Homer. His painting New Year's Morning, 1858 captures a Syrian winter landscape, symbolizing the fresh start and activities associated with the holiday season. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.